Who's on last? I'm doing it. Oh. Are you doing it? Oh. This is about when Robert was calling. It's a break, right? So Robert then would call, right? Oh, okay. That's usually when I get a phone call. What are you doing? Just waiting?
Yeah, waiting in there.
Yeah.
Waiting at the yard. Not at a time.
Oh, Graham? No, Graham wheels buckets and everything. The other day, he gets so bored. The other day, Robert called his house.
I gotta go.
That's why I had to buy that board.
So what do you think of these do-it-yourselfers? Not too bad, eh?
I have two boys that are in their 20s. They're the same thing.
There you
They
go.
all work in concrete over in Ontario as well. Pardon me?
Allowed to stamp the concrete when they're done.
Oh yes. Stephen can draw a picture or write his name in it.
Are you gonna put your hand in the concrete?
I do.
Yeah, you
Depending on
gotta.
where we are. Pull all this. Whatever. It's too hard to go back to the plant. I just bring it
Any comments for the video, YouTube?
Lot better to be in the truck.
True, eh?
Yeah, with your little remote thing, eh?
Yeah, I'd be him right now.
Yeah, the sides on this top are going to come up on a bit of an angle. So I'm wondering.
Desjardins.
No, it's okay.
That is Desjardins now. Oh, maybe it's not.
Touch it. Touch it.
Yeah, that's who we haven't.
But no. It's unbelievable. And then we pay 2 years. Can I see it? I want to see if I can. We took this one.
I haven't actually.
And then you got double swords. Whoop, whoop, whoop. You should be chasing the bugs.
Well, there's Kathy up now.
take him over to the gravel pit where he can wash.
Sure. I just took him over to the I just took him over to the shed. He just backed into the bush. He's not even listening to me. Busy. I just took him over to the shed and he backed into the bush.
Oh yeah. You won't leave a big mess. No.
Well, that looks just about perfect, and here you are doing more.
Everybody, and I went with styrofoam 36 inches up and 4 feet out.
Should I go through and start stepping on them, or do you want me to just...
I would just kind of, step or rake them, shovel them in.
Okay.
Oh, there's Mommy.
Mommy's gonna go down to the trailer, okay? Are you gonna stay up here?
Yep.
Hey.
I got it, Steph.
Yeah, I did it, man.
That's Aunt Norma coming in.
Good thing Wayne was here though, helping pull the board.
Sure.
Would have been heavy without him.
Oh, I think he's happy to help.
Oh yeah, this is lots.
Listen to him chattering down there. He's funny. Who's that I heard squealing like a little girl? Was that Uncle Duke? Hey, was that Uncle Duke?
Papa. Take a Papa.
Yeah. Wipe that smile off your face.
Ready?
Use both your hands.
Don't step in the concrete just yet, though. Good job. Good job, Stephen. You'll be able to tell your kids later on in life that you helped pour this. You made it. Listen to Charlie. He says, "Why am I tied up?"
In there, or you want me to float over that edge? The only thing is, it'll kind of like make
No,
a
it
different
looks
fit.
pretty good like that. We're probably going to have to re-edge it again after I get rid of these lines.
Once we float it, yeah.
Yeah.
But it's good to cut the edge. You